Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online in 2021 as a complete beginner with a secret method that requires no experience at all or skills, so you can create income online on a daily basis start from today. Now, if you would like to learn even more ways to create money online with no experience needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon, and every time I will publish a brand new content you will get notified. So nowadays guys, there's a lot of options and opportunities to make money online in 2021. We're going to discuss a bunch of them now. Please pay attention, because if you do, even if you pick one and go active on it, I mean not only listening to this video, I'm talking about actually doing something and taking action, you can absolutely start to create income online in 2021 and start from today. Let's get to the first way. The first way I'm going to talk about, it's called dropshipping, and I'm pretty sure you already know this method, but if you don't, dropshipping is a business model where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your online store, a third party fulfilled and ship the order for you. Because of low startup costs are low, it's an increasingly popular way to make money online for beginners and pros alike. And if you want to know a little bit more about this method, I did a video especially on that method, and you can click on it right now and watch it. The second method is called print on demand. So print on demand allows sellers to custom the product, so it will be their own, and like dropshipping, to sell them only after a customer buys them. So again, you don't need to hold any inventory. Very simple. When a customer places an order, the print on demand company just put your own design on it, fulfill it, and ship it to the customer. And the difference between this one and dropshipping is that you have a full control on how your product is going to look like, since you design it by yourself. The best example is with apparel such as shirts, pencils, hoodies, etc. And nowadays you can find also home decor products that are made by print-on-demand sellers, like pillows, bed sheet, and more. Now, if you don't have any design skills and if you don't want to do dropshipping, the next method will be very suitable for you. I'm talking about, guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video very quick now, just to remind you to subscribe to my channel, so you will continue to get useful tips and tricks on how to make money online on autopilot, no experience or skills needed. Let's get back to the video now. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's business offers, and if someone buys through your link, you will get a commission on this transaction. And this way you can make a lot of money online, since in this method the product has already been created. You just need to promote it. The fourth method we're gonna talk about is freelance services. If you're good at anything, like, I don't know, filming, designing, illustrating, editing, writing, singing, or anything else, you can offer your services in a lot of different freelancers platform websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, or freelance.com. You can offer different gigs and people will buy from your service. Then so whenever someone buys from you, you earn money doing what you love. So start working on your business today to build something meaningful and exciting, and in the end your effort will be pay you over time as you build your online presence, find new customers, and make sales. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Go down at the bottom and comment. Let me know what part of the video you enjoyed the most and what your takeout is going to be. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I've got an awesome videos coming out soon. And if you click on the bell notification icon right now, I will make sure you won't miss it, because I'll notify you as soon as they get published. Till the next time guys, see ya.